Hello and welcome to this training session where we're going to show you how to use the virtual backpack feature using a program called Live Binders. Live Binders is basically a three-ring binder that is available to you out on the internet, so you don't have to have any program on any computer. You can access this from anywhere and make updates to it. So first step, obviously go to livebinders.com. And then you'll click on login. If you want to set up your own new account, you can do that and use it for whatever purposes you like. It's a great program. But for now, we want to log in, and we use our login for the intermediate. It's simply Hallsville Intermediate, and then the password that was given to you. You click login and it's going to bring you here. And let's look at a couple things first. Here, this is just an extra copy of it. You'll notice that it is marked private, so the general public will not be able to see this one. This is just a how-to guide. Basically, it's also private. It's just for you. But the one that we have available to our public is the one right here. It's under the education category. You can see here it's been updated. But if you hover over it, you will see you've got some options. You can edit or you can present it. The two that you're going to use, actually the one you'll use most of the time, is simply just the edit button. Option lets you change things like the binder cover, things like that. You really won't want to mess with that. But you'll actually want to go into the edit menu. And you see here we've got some different tabs that are open to us. These tabs are just like you would open up a folder and see them on the side of a binder. In our edit mode, they're across the top. In our public viewing mode, they're actually down along the side, and you click on those. So for example, I've got a document that I want to upload to April's tab, so I'm going to click on it. And then you see these demarcation arrows down here. There's a couple of things I want to show you. This will let you choose some options. You can add a new tab. That would add something across the top. You probably won't want to do that. But when you're in April, we would want to add a new sub-tab. You can copy tabs, paste tabs, or even move it to a different binder. Move it left, move it right, clear everything underneath there. Almost everything you're going to be doing will be this, adding a new sub-tab. And there's a couple options. That's one way to do it. If you look down here, this menu pops up automatically, the edit menu on the bottom part of your screen. If it is not showing, the way you get to that is just simply, I'm going to close this here. The way you would get to that is to click on this edit menu, and then it's going to pop up as well. This is an area that you can also upload everything. There's two different ways to pretty much do everything in Live Binders. So you can upload a file here, and I've already got the tabs selected here under April, so whatever we upload will go under this. What I'd like to do is just simply here go add a new sub-tab, and notice we have a new sub-tab under the April heading. You can see how it's pulled out. I'm going to change the name of this, and this one that we're going to add is the PTO car seat, and car seat, S-E-A-T, and meeting. Okay, so there is our sub-tab. Now notice it's blank. There's nothing underneath it. So under our edit menu, I've already clicked the upload file. I'm going to browse, and I'm going to find my file, and I have it under my PDF on my desktop. So let's go to PDFs. And here is let me find it here, meeting flyer 422 of 13. So there's my file down here, and all I'm going to do now is upload it. If I started out here, I could upload it to a new sub-tab or to a new tab. I'm already have my sub-tab ready to go, so I'm just going to upload it to this sub-tab. It's going to work its magic. There, it's going to pop it up. I'm going to go ahead and close that, but notice it has this binder on it. And I'm going, or this address for the actual PDF file. You don't need to really know that. It says upload complete. All I have to do is hit save. And it saves my binder. I'm going to close my edit menu, and that's it. That's all there is to it, to uploading a document. If you wanted to upload another one, you could certainly do that. Just click on your edit menu. I'll show you the other way to do this. Let's upload another file. I'm going to browse it, and let's add the donuts for Dad. Okay, it's not on here right now, so we'll add it. I'm going to upload it to a new sub-tab. It brings me this, and I want to make sure, and there's our donuts with Dad. I want to make sure I change this, because notice if I don't change it, it has a long address. So donuts with Dad. And then I want to hit save. As far as the teachers go, if you want to upload something to your grade level, let's just choose third grade. You would click on your third grade and browse and upload whatever document you wanted to I'm going to upload this one. Click open. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this to the 3rd grade as a new sub tab. And no, I don't want that one. So you have to just read the directions and what it says. Let's go with this one. I don't think this is uploaded here. It's just a handbook. Again, we're just doing this. I'm going to show you how to delete something. So here's the handbook. There it pops up for the summer school program. I'm going to put summer school handbook. Okay, and save. And now this has been added to the 3rd grade. So let's go back to look at April. There we have our PTO car seat and meeting. It's going to download it and pop it up right there. Donuts with Dad, we just added that. And we come up here, let's go back to our 3rd grade and notice, here's our 3rd grade. Oh, we've got a new sub-tab and we've got a summer school handbook. Okay, well, we want to get rid of both of those because they really don't need to be there now. So under the new sub-tab here, I'm just going to click on this demarcation arrow and I'm going to delete this sub-tab. It's going to make sure that I want to do that and it's gone. I'm going to delete this one, delete this sub-tab, and there you go. And that's how you do it. Everything now under 3rd grade is blank. Same with 4th and 5th grade and 2nd grade. But April has stuff. Summer school has things underneath there. So as you can see, it's all there online for you. So you hit save. And I'm going to show you now the parent view. So I'm going to go up here to Welcome Hallsville Intermediate, and I'm going to log out. And I'm going to go to our website. And we're going to look at this thing from the parents' side, how it looks to them. So I'm going to come over here to our schools, intermediate, as we wait for the internet to catch up with us. And I'm going to scroll down here under our popular links to our virtual backpack. All that does is take us to it's directly linked to the Live Binders file, and there it is. You notice this is for I'm not logged in. This is how everything looks to those that would be clicking on it. The tabs are now on the left. So I can click here to my PTO car seat. Some browsers will automatically show it in this area. I have mine set up to where it automatically downloads things. You may or may not want to do that, but depending on your browser, it may show up right here. So I hope this helps. This is how we use our virtual backpack and are going to save our district some money and be a little greener to our environment, and to top it off, make the documents a little easier for parents to access anytime they need them as well. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.